Shiny helmet.
Diablo, do you want to see my helmet? Yes. This is what happens when you ask an engine builder to put a camera on a bike.
Let's have a look at that handiwork.
Mate, that's top-notch work, that. Zip ties.
I believe factory would...
And gaffer tape. And someone else's Insta 360 camera.
So what are you limit to speed-wise on
He's
this?
told me no more than 50.
Is that possible?
So, like, pit limiter all the way around.
Do we believe that?
No, it's not going to happen. No. To be fair, if it lasts, I'm going to be impressed. I'm going to be impressed.
It'll be alright. So, we're just going to do some laps. We're going to try and piece together some footage with the Insta 360, my chin mount, just to do some media stuff. And then I think you guys are going out on track, aren't you, in places. And then we'll take the cameras off and then do a couple of fast laps.
Some knee-down action.
Not from me, mate. Don't put my knee down because I'm too tight to buy the sliders. I really don't. Like, mate, they're like 2 seasons old.
Right, they're mint. Oh, wow. There you go.
Yeah. That was my crash there. Who invited these idiots, eh?
Do you want me to grab your arms and spin you around on the floor so we can scratch?
Mate, honestly, like, I think I do toe sliders more than I do knee sliders. I only got a little sticky out knee, see?
Right, mate, have a good one, boys.
Thanks.
We'll catch you on the other side.
Yeah, hopefully in one piece.
So,
I brought it back in one piece.
it lives.
It's in the van. Now we're going to Donington. So hopefully the intro made sense, but basically at lunch hour we just did a bit of media. So we strapped some cameras to it in different places and put some cameras out on track and just did some stuff that one we'd never get away with on a track day. I know, inconsiderate. Stuff we'd never get away with on a track day or on a race day or or in a session, like where we put the cameras, like chin mounts, or we put a 360 cam hanging out the back of it and stuff like that. So hopefully it looks all right, and hopefully I look all right on it.
Well, it sounded all right.
Yeah, it's all right. It's a good laugh. So just done some laps. Nothing set world on fire.
Yeah.
But hopefully it shows some different aspects of the riding that people kind of like don't see, like right on the apex, or there's some bits over a tower where Adam had the drone really low. Well, you know this because you've just watched it, because this is the outro, Rick. Mate, honestly, it's one of them days.
Mate, it's been a long
so
day.
I hope you enjoyed it. Something a little bit different, because we like the bike stuff. I like the bike stuff. No one else likes the bike stuff. No one crashed, apart from Mitch.
Much.
Apart from Mitch. No one died. So yeah, it's been a good day. So hope you liked it. Let us know which sort of bit or which camera shot you like the most, and we'll let Adam know. That sounds kind of cool.
What that was.
Yeah, let us know which sort of camera shot you like the most. I think the drone stuff's kind of cool. We'll let Adam know. Thank you to them guys for doing it. What? I just know him as Adam. What's his company called?
Flat Out Media.
Flat Out Media. Because they're the guys that done the EBC test with us, weren't they?
Right.
On my BMW.
Yeah.
And then they do all the Combe stuff as well. So they do PGD with you and stuff like that. So yeah, good guys. Check them out. We put a link in the description below. And we'll see you on the next one. So smash the buttons and laters.
Later, dude.